So I'm nearly at the end of my first month of trading, and lo and behold, got a few alerts going off. So I've gone into my investing.com app, and there we have it. The Australian index is going down. I've looked on the news to see if there's anything crazy going on. Could be some more tariffs with Trump, but for some reason or another, unlike any of the other indices, the Australian one is going right down. And yes, surprisingly enough, it's my third least favourite one because again, it trades while I'm asleep. So if I do put a trade on, chances are I'm just going to have to set a stop loss and just let it go. I'll show you in the charts where we are with it. So I've opened up my MetaTrader 4 app, and this is the Australian index. We can see it's gone right from up here at 8626, and it's shot right down below 8400. But these are the times as a trader FOMO can set in and make you start acting on impulse. This is why I've got my system to keep a level head at these times, not to try and catch the knife. What I'm doing is waiting for the trade to come to me. So if we just go back just a short distance, you can see we've had a similar move where it's come right down and then it's retested. So all I'm going to do is see this first move. By the time I wake up in the morning, there's a very good chance it's going to, if it is recovering, it's going to be looking like it's retesting. At that point, I may well decide to go in. But until then, I could wake up in the morning and it's dropped another 100 points. And then I'd be thinking, why, oh, why did I go in for a trade? It's very rare that you get these big drops and there's not some kind of, consolidation at the bottom or a move further down. So it's just not worth the risk. Meanwhile, you've got the other indices, like the Dow in consolidation, got the Nasdaq, close to all-time highs. European ones, again, are all very close to all-time highs. So it is a bit peculiar for the Australian index to be doing this, which is why if I see some sort of retest, it'll give me much more confidence that actually it's going to bounce back. So I did get a comment in my last video about how actually this is all just gambling and how novices should just stay away from markets and leave the pros to it. Well, as much as I kind of agree in some ways, what I'm trying to show you is the reason I believe this is a high probability setup and why, if this goes off and I don't take the trade, the reason why I didn't take the trade. I'm only interested if I believe 100% I'm going to make money. I'll always stick to my risk management strategy. That's to minimize losses. But this is it. I should be looking at, a more than 60% win rate. Last year, I think I was more like 75%. So in my eyes, this isn't gambling. This is absolutely mitigating risk. That's what it's all about. If I went in now, as I said before, Australia could plummet another 100 points and I've just tried to catch the knife. What I'm trying to do is not catch the knife. I'm trying to wait for the market to settle, then go in. So basically, the way I look at the markets is it's like a bus trying to turn or like a ship trying to turn. It takes a long, long time. And they're going to fire in all kinds of, movements to try and force you into that buy. I'm just going to sit it out and just wait for them to show me that it's all over and we're safe to go back in.